Renowned for its finished-to-perfection designs and executive quality, did you know Balenciaga is a brand responsible for revolutionizing women's fashion when high fashion was in its initial stages? Throughout history, the brand has successfully lived up to its mission of providing sustainable fashion and designs that blend creativity and comfort. People continue to like being identified with the brand as a luxury statement that defines their personality, which has rightly been a determinant of its success. Before we dig into the timeline of Balenciaga, which started off as a small boutique to the brand becoming one of the wealthiest fashion houses in the world, and the latest controversy regarding children, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Now, let's get straight into it. The history of the brand is drawn long back. The founder, Cristobal Balenciaga, grew up seeing his mother, a dressmaker, unaware that he would soon one day grow up to become the founder of one of the top brands. Under her guidance, Cristobal learned the skill, which was later polished to perfection with a degree in tailoring and design in Madrid that provided him with a scholarship. To make money from this skill, Cristobal opened his boutique, Isa, in Madrid, which proved to be a stepping stone for him to climb the ladder of success later on. The Spanish royal family, impressed by the design's creativity and uniqueness, favored the brand, which was later shifted to Paris due to the war disputes and became what is today a fashion revolutionizer. The brand's name comes from Cristobal's father, Balenciaga, an engineer and inventor. Balenciaga was initially called Cristobal Balenciaga, but was later changed to Balenciaga by the founder because he believed the former was too long for a name tag. The brand has continued to grow since its founding in 1923, and it's now one of the world's most famous fashion houses. It's not just successful, instead, it is iconic. The main motto of Cristobal was to combine fashion with engineering and technology. The brand, which started as a couture house, has, over the years, expanded to include ready-to-wear footwear, handbags, and accessories. The brand is known for its high-end fashion, inspired mainly by the work of Pablo Picasso and other artists associated with the Cubism movement. The modern and sleek designs offer classic elements like shirting and wearable tailoring. In addition, Balenciaga has brought juxtaposing concepts to get a new dimension to the usual fashion industry, which has contributed to its success. The popularity of this brand is significant because it has always been able to create timeless and contemporary pieces, which is perfect for its target market, which is dominated mainly by millennials or the Generation Y. Balenciaga worked with some famous designers like Alexander McQueen and Stella McCartney before starting his line in 1972 with the help of Pierre Cardin, who has been credited as one of Balenciaga's most incredible supporters. This collaboration brought an excellent customer base to the newly established brand in its early years. The brand has balanced between creating some trendiest pieces like their Buchel boots, made out of leather and featuring a zipper at the top, and also values simplicity in their clothing lineups. In addition, the brand focuses on quality materials and providing customers with the best possible, justifying every penny. The brand rose to power owing to its role in redirecting the fashion industry and providing it with a never-seen-before dimension. It has been at the forefront of some of the most critical trends in fashion throughout its history. Their success is because they have a vast variety ranging from casual to formal wear, allowing them to be a significant player in the fashion industry. They've always been able to take risks that other brands do not, and have been able to do it without losing their brand's integrity or quality. Their products are known for being innovative and high quality, which makes them stand out from other brands on the market and has earned a monopoly, eliminating its competitors. The brand has always maintained its status as an elite label in the fashion industry, but they've also managed to make a name for itself as an incredibly accessible one. Their collections are famously made with a wide range of price points in mind, and they're known for their attention to detail and their ability to produce limited edition pieces that are both affordable and prestigious. Balenciaga is also known for its ability to evolve, which is why everyone is excited about their latest collection, the New Standard. The collection features some of Balenciaga's most iconic styles, including the famous Pigalle bag, but it also introduces some new pieces you might not have seen before. The brand's success has been attributed mainly to its ability to appeal to younger consumers and capture their imagination. In an interview with Business Insider, Balenciaga CEO Pablo Arriagu explained that the brand's success lies in its ability to appeal to Gen Z consumers who have grown up with technology at their fingertips. He said, "The way they spend their time is completely different from how we did things." He added, "They're used to having access to everything in the world at any moment, so we need to be able to provide that for them." This approach has allowed Balenciaga to capture Gen Z customers' attention with its innovative designs and high-end products, including leather bags, jackets, dresses, and shoes, all of which are priced at over $10,000 per piece. When you think of Balenciaga, it's not likely that you picture a millennial. The British brand has been known for its attention to detail and quiet confidence since its inception in 1895. But Balenciaga's latest lookbook adaptation of its iconic sunglasses is a testament to how far they've come as a brand in recent years, and how well they've adapted to the demands of the evolving culture and trends. The collection features a wide range of styles, from simple black frames to bold patterns and metallic finishes. And like any good millennial, there are plenty of pop culture references tucked into the designs. A pair of reflective glasses with an anime print on the inside, a couple of sunglasses featuring characters from Stranger Things, even a couple of mirrored aviators inspired by Kylie Jenner's Pink team from her Dumb Blonde video. Balenciaga isn't just making fashion for millennials anymore, they're also catering to Gen Zers' love of selfies, memes, and social media. Balenciaga, the luxury fashion house, has recently overtaken Gucci as one of the hottest brands in the world of fashion. According to industry experts, Balenciaga's rise to prominence can be attributed to a number of factors, including its innovative designs, exceptional quality, and commitment to sustainability. In recent years, Balenciaga has taken the fashion world by storm with its bold and creative designs, which often challenge traditional fashion norms. The brand has also gained recognition for its high-quality products, which are crafted with the utmost care and attention to detail. In addition to its creative and technical expertise, Balenciaga is also known for its commitment to sustainability, which has become an increasingly important issue for consumers. The brand uses eco-friendly materials and production methods and has taken steps to reduce its impact on the environment. This has helped Balenciaga to not only win over customers with its fashion-forward designs, but also to appeal to consumers who are looking for brands that align with their values. Balenciaga's rise to the top has been nothing short of remarkable, and the brand is now one of the most sought-after names in the world of fashion. Whether you're a fashion lover or simply looking for a brand that truly embodies the best of style and sustainability, Balenciaga is definitely worth checking out. November 2022, Balenciaga's holiday campaign was released where children were shown holding Balenciaga's new line of handbags. Fluffy teddy bear-shaped handbags, which are wearing leather BDSM harnesses and other bondage gear. Immediately, #CancelBalenciaga started trending, and public accusations spread like wildfire, mostly aimed at Balenciaga's creative director, Brown. Brown was accused of promoting pedophilia and behaving inappropriately towards child models who would have had no idea what the outfits or the bears meant. Now, this was undeniably bad for the press and for a brand that outfits so many high-profile celebrities. Accusations of pedophilia were unthinkable. However, it was about to get much worse with the release of their next ad campaign. Quote, "Children were taken advantage of in a shoot by pedophiles and sickos and weirdos." Balenciaga has always been a brand known for ad campaign products and runway shows that push the boundary and make audiences uncomfortable. In a way, it's great publicity. Stunts like sending runway models walking through snow and mud and putting an almost $2,000 price tag on a pair of destroyed sneakers are one way to make headlines and stay relevant. However, Balenciaga's recent campaigns have caused more outrage than ever before. Longtime loyal fans of the brand are throwing out their $1,000 handbags and spray painting Balenciaga stores to protest against the campaign. When Balenciaga releases their next campaign, they can be sure that viewers will be examining every detail for more hints of pedophilia and abusive children. They'll be under a magnifying glass, and it's the brand's choice to either make their next campaign squeaky clean or lean into the controversy even more. Let us know down in the comments what you think about all this. Was it just an innocent mistake? Or perhaps it was happening in front of our eyes from the very beginning? No one can predict the future, and the fashion industry is no exception. Balenciaga, however, has certain elements that make it a brand to watch. Balenciaga has had several influential designers in its history, from Cristobal Balenciaga to Alejandro Sanchez. The brand's popularity grows and flows as well, allowing them to come back after economic downturns. Balenciaga continues to be one of the most successful fashion brands in the world. It has cultivated a teen following while also making inroads into the realm of high fashion, keeping people guessing as to what will come next. There aren't many brands that can effectively cater to such different market demographics, let alone simultaneously. Balenciaga may be onto something.